When you see that, my viewers, the streets no love nobody. The streets gone with another youth life down at Portland. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Yankee boy get life in a prison for murder him Jamaican girlfriend. Plus Thickiana, I say she give up. She reach her lowest point right now. So before me jump in at the reasoning and me gonna know what I go on, pre this.
My damn lowest, no guys, my damn lowest. I'm glad for showing everything. To those who didn't like and want to see me at my lowest, yes, I am at it now. I'm not hide it. Me not keep it to myself. I'm not hide it. I'm at my lowest now. You see, Khalif can't left me. I don't know why. I want to share it with you. I want to show it to those who like me, to those who don't. I want to show you. I want you to know. I want you to see. Me have my lowest now, guys. Me have my lowest now. Me can't go down lower. So all who want to try to bring me down, it just come and see come like that to me. The only thing I want to say now, I wish we could have just seen if I come back through my gate. I wish we could have seen him. I wish we could have known him in a so. I wish we could have seen him. That's all I want. I can't want nobody else. I want nothing else to say. I wish we could have seen him back. I wish we could have seen him. I wish we could have he would have not only gone and hurt no one. God, I wish we could have called him. I wish we could have seen him, to hug him, to touch him. That's the only thing. I'm the lowest now, guys. I want to show you something I'm the lowest. I don't want to hide it. I don't want to keep it a secret. I want everybody to know. I want to know something I'm the lowest. I want to the scene. I want to know what I go through. I don't care who never like.
My viewers wanna see that? Thickiana mad out over her 20-year-old boyfriend, Khalif Thomas, where gunman murder him at Banbury Linstead. And I see a lot of people out there say, Thickiana no big woman, she not have pitney. So when she had do a broke down pan media over 20-year-old boy. My viewers, we can't tell nobody who them for love, you know. And we can't tell nobody who them for talk to, you know. Or who them for deal with, you know. Cause this are the trend boy, you know. But we see all type of little boy there with big woman. All type of little girl there with big man. So see it ya. And this is it, boy, ya. Nothing na hide again. Me remember one time when big woman used to hide and there with little boy cause them used to shame. Them never even want them pitney no. Till see it ya. Everything out in the light now. How a youth a go feel? If you know says a little 20-year-old youth. And your stepfather. You feel good with that, brother? Eh? Things set away, boy, I may tell you no. When you hear that. So see her there. Thickiana says she reach her lowest point right now. Like she willing to give up in her life right now. Just because her little boyfriend drop out. So my people, no walk with me and now. See the Yankee boy ya, we get life for murder him Jamaican girlfriend, Colleen, and her son Devon, and her niece Vashan at Jamaica, Queens, New York. This incident ya take place 2 years ago. But a Friday we gone, Travis Blake was sentenced to life in a prison without parole. My viewers, just by looking pan Travis Blake picture, uno no see say that boy ya evil. Uno no see say demon in that boy ya. Uno no see say that boy ya wicked. The boy use a hammer, a knife, and a screwdriver and take Colleen life, her son life, and her niece life. And then the boy try to take away himself, run go in another state, feel like say Uncle Sam never ever go hold him. See it you now, can't run from your problems them in a life. Dead house or jailhouse. And in that case yeah, a jailhouse the boy ya go. So see it ya. Most of the time we do reviews boy you know where people feel like say only Jamaican man them are evil. And only Jamaican man them always do things to the woman them. But see it ya. Yankee boy this, we murder him Jamaican girlfriend in a New York Over what? Jealousy? She did a plan for leave him? It no matter. Nobody no control nobody. And nobody no own nobody. So if somebody want to walk away from a relationship, you can't tap them. So see they know, is a bunk him have to go sleep on all the days I'm life. Some people walk with me and now we go to Portland, but we see the streets no love nobody. The streets take another youth life. See that youth here wanna sip on the screen, lose him life up on the Buff Bay main road, 3-car collision, and him did a ride a yeng. Left him flat, me a tell you upon him back. And all when everybody a say try rush the youth to a hospital no, if you try save him life, nobody me a tell you no. Some of viewers would stay safe out there, protect on the 3 points. Until next time, and open up on the eye on the day road. Cause remember this, life no sell a shop, and nobody boy and have 9 life. So until next time, my people.
My dear Lois, no guys, my dear Lois. I'm glad for showing everything. To those who didn't like and want to see me at my Lois, yes, I